You're welcome, young ladies.
Thank you.
Thank you, my friend.
Young ladies.
No.
Please excuse us.
Yes, ma'am.
You know this is real top secret. And in order for us to keep it safe, we need these girls to be very, very close to Princess Brenda. That was what Ezemo said.
Why Brenda?
My queen, I told you, it was what Ezemo said. I am not the gods. And I think it's a way of us making them to look as if they are her mates.
No problem.
Good.
It's all right by me.
Good. Ichozuzi, I think we have to leave now. My queen, we better take our leave.
Thank you. Thank you very much. It chills us here. Thank you.
Yes. My queen, like I said, this is a top secret. And nobody should know about it.
Noted.
Good. Thank you.
Thank you.
Oma! Yes, my queen.
My queen.
Get me those girls outside.
All right, my queen.
They are the new maids. Take them to your room and give them something to eat.
All right, my queen. Ladies, this way, please.
Wait. You.
My queen.
I want you to be in charge of Princess Brenda's affairs.
Yes, my queen.
And you? What is your name?
My name is Noma.
You'll be in charge of laundry.
All right, my friend.
I don't want you to have anything to do with the male servants, as tradition demands.
All right, my queen.
This way, please. did you speak as if they were forced on you?
I don't want to get involved with them directly for now. They seem to have evil luck lurking around them.
Now I understand, my queen.
Get me a glass of juice.
Alright, my queen. Oh, my queen. Did you forget the snail meat? I've garnished it for you.
Oma, juice.
Oh yeah, I'll get it. Seasons come and go, but the truth will remain, yeah. Some are praying every day for paradise, but some others who are living in paradise, they're bringing hell to their paradise by the making of their hands. She's a bad woman, sneaking around. Oh, yeah. Look what you've done, look what you've done. Don't you have no shame, don't you have no shame. These are bad people, bad humans, oh, yeah. Sneaking around, they're sneaking around. Look what you've done, look what you've done. Oh yeah, she's a bad woman, sneaking around, sneaking around. Look what you've done, look what you've done. Don't you have no shame, see what you've caused.
My name is Yeko.
Help! 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 Hey, please, I want you to come and help me. Help! 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 Somebody please help me!
You look neat. What? I like neat people. We can get along easily. Thank you, my princess. Don't call me that. My name is Brenda. Alright. Do you know this kingdom too well? A little too well. Oh no. He told you something in private, right? Yes. Okay. Be careful. Yes, I will. You may go. Thank you. You're welcome.
Oh, fine girl. Are you the new maid?
Yes, good afternoon.
You're welcome.
Please, who is the owner of this car?
Oh, the queen. Any problem?
Not at all.
Oh.
Everything is fine.
Oh, the guy's fine? Even me, the driver, I think I'm fine too.
There is something about this palace that I need to find out. Yes, I need to find out before it's too late.
What is it that you want to find out? You just come to me and I will explain everything about this palace.
Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome.
But I don't need your help.
Okay, fine. Are you not hot here? Why don't you just come inside and...
No, I'm fine here.
Okay, before I forget, Princess Brenda was looking for you.
All right.
Obina. It is your right to take over from where your father stopped. By the powers conferred on me as the Onowu of this great kingdom, I hereby crown you the king of Anuba Kingdom. Don't be too fast, Onowu.
Father.
Father! Father, you're dead!
A great king does not die. He sleeps. I have been in slumber. Now, it's all over.
It's indeed a miracle. Welcome back to life. So can we continue now? Father is here. Okay, you can go ahead now. The testimony.
Give me that cup.
What? What?
My king, what have you done?
I have just done the right thing.
And who is this boy?
He is the true son of Anuba Kingdom. Someday, everyone shall bow and hail him a great king.
Father. Father. Hey.
Father.
Hey, boy. What's going on? No, you have to do something. You have to do something, mother. You have to do something or I will do something. Mother. Can you please tell me what's going on? Why is everybody going on one leg?
What do we call this?
She has refused to talk. Can you please tell us what is going on?
Please. Mother.
So I'll have to fight for this then.
What's this? Mother, what is going on, please?
So I'll have to fight for this then. Since you don't want to say anything. Are you aware he left with my crown? Are you aware? No! Huh?
What is it? What happened?
I don't know why I keep having this same dream. It is becoming more real and scary.
What exactly is the dream about?
Same old dream. Now, it is closer. Closer like reality.
Come on, baby. It's just a dream, eh? Please, go back to...
No, it is not just a dream. I need to figure out why I keep having the same dream over and over. I need to figure it out.
I couldn't sleep.
I think it is high time you took this dream very seriously. Yes. Tell Prince Toby to come back before it becomes too late. Before people get to know who he really is. Okay?
I have told him to come back this week and he has agreed to return.
Oh, okay. That's alright. That's alright. Please. Please calm down. Calm down and go back to sleep. Okay? Everything will be alright.
You don't know how worried and scared I am, do you?
I know. I know. Believe me, I do. Okay? But we can handle this. Yes, we can handle this, okay? Please, please, stop worrying. Just go back to sleep. Everything will be fine. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come to bed. Come to bed, okay? We can handle this, okay? I love you.
I love you too.
Just remember that I love you, okay?
You look uneasy. My princess, I sense I'm here for a purpose stronger than what I thought from the beginning. Would you want to ask me anything? Ask again. Would you want to ask me anything? Not at all, ma'am. Nothing. Sit. Do you want to tell me anything?
Help! 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 Hey, please, someone should come and help me. Help! 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 Somebody please help me! Help!
Hello?
Yes. Yes.
Get me a warm glass of water.
Yes. Yes.
My queen.
Oma?
Yes, my queen.
You know what today is?
Yes, my queen. The prince is coming home.
My son.
The special prince.
I don't want your regular rice and so on. I want you to make something special for my son.
Okay, my queen. But do you have any special meal in mind?
Oba and stockfish will be fine.
Alright, my queen. Thank you. I'll prepare it.
Oma?
Yes, my queen.
Call Oti or any person around.
Alright, my queen.
Greetings, my queen.
Where is Oti?
My queen, he's not yet back.
I ordered for some palm wine and I actually ordered for the undiluted one. Make sure when Oti returns, you fridge them.
Okay.
My son will disembark by 2 p.m. so tell the driver to check the oil in the engine. Do you know who is already on his way? He will accompany Oti to the airport.
Okay. Alright, my queen.
Good.
My queen, I was thinking, since the special prince is coming home all the way from the United States of America, preparing okwa with mangala, the big ones, won't be a bad idea. He won't forget it.
Oma.
Yes, my queen.
You don't have all the time in the world, do you?
No, my queen.
Good.
I'll go and make it.
Add bitter leaf to it. Where is the girl, Ego? My friend. What have you been doing?
My queen, I was washing your car.
I've told you to leave the car for the boys and the guards. They will do it. I want you to go inside and clean all the rooms. Especially my son's room.
Alright,
He is coming back today and I want the room to be very neat. Everywhere.
Alright, my queen.
And you? Be quick with whatever you're doing.
What about the man we saw the other day?
What about him?
I think he's a nice man and he's serious too.
Please, I don't want to talk about any man, especially now that my love is back.
Funny.
And what is funny?
Everything is funny. You call him your love, yet he has not called you since he traveled to America. Isn't it funny?
Ebere, the fact that I bring you closer and tell you everything about me does not make you in any way wiser or smarter. So stop being judgmental.
I'm sorry if I'm being judgmental, but you know I've just said the truth and nothing but the truth. I've been in love before and I know all that my lover did when he was serious about our relationship. He called me almost every time.
Ebere, stop it, okay? Obi is a very busy man. His job and study did not give him the time to do all of that. And I'm sure now that he's back, I will get all his affection.
Please, I'm outside. Lovely girl. Thank you.
Well, how about your sister?
She's inside. She's dressing up.
Just let her know I'm here.
Why don't you come inside? You can't stand here.
I'm fine. Just let her know.
Where is my daughter? Where's my beautiful daughter? You are here?
Yes, Father.
My daughter, you be smiling, admiring yourself at the mirror.
Yes, Father. That is because my love is coming back.
Yes, I know. But put it this way, the queen is going to see the king. And the long-awaited day is here.
My father has his ways with words. He mixes words like oil and boiled yam.
And my daughter is the most beautiful woman in the 7 clans of Imo.
Aww. Thank you, Father. Thank you.
My daughter.
Yes, Father.
When you get there, use your head. Don't be too forward and don't be too withdrawn. Future queens have a way of carrying the shoulders.
Father, you are so full of wisdom.
Good luck, daughter. Go and win.
Thank you, Father. So much, Father.
I'll be inside, yeah?
Okay, fine.
It's okay.
What is the meaning of this? How could you bring your makeup kit into the kitchen?
And when did you become the inspector? Or you're just looking for something to say? Do you even know what day it is?
Well, the queen will surely catch you like this. Put that pan inside the fridge.
Bianwoke, who are you ordering around? Carry this thing and go and drop it in the fridge. You don't know where the fridge is? Don't you know?
This kitchen is not your father's house. So you should learn how to keep it clean.
I know it is not my father's house, but it is my office. And you should respect that. You don't come here and order me around as if it is your own father's house.
Office indeed.
This one that looks like a monkey. There is nothing I will not see in this palace. I don't even know what to say to you. Don't go and kill yourself. Don't go and die. Come and eat food now, because I know that is your problem. Hey! Yeah, I'm in love with your booty bounce. In love with your booty bounce. In love with your booty bounce.
I heard my brother is coming back today. Yes. I'll come and beg you and make sure you look nice. My brother. I hope he's not angry with me. Why would he be angry with you? You're a nice person. Mom doesn't think so. My story is a sad one. Let me not bore you with that. Today should be a joyful day. I would like to hear your story.
Hello, Gucci.
How did you find my video?
Well, I just said hello. By the way, how are you doing?
I cannot remember inviting you to my father's house. And I do not want you to ruin this beautiful day for me. So you know what? Get to pass with you and leave.
You don't have to be this harsh to me. Listen, can I at least talk to you?
No. I said no. And I do not want to have anything to do with the past. So please leave. Excuse me.
I'm sorry about that. Please, you just have to calm down. I'll talk to her. I'm so sorry.
Thank you very much for that.
It is.
Hello. I have the premonition that we are likely to face the greatest challenge as cabinet members today. So we have to be really careful before we shoot ourselves on the foot.
Oh no.
Yes.
You are right. I think we should break the sad news to him in a way that it should not complicate issues. That is why we are cabinet members.
Oh no.
Yes.
We should be careful not to interfere in a family matter. We'll go to the palace, welcome our prince, and have lunch with him. Then go our ways home.
And I think we should discuss the king right there in the palace. For how long are we going to keep it away from him?
We should discuss the king. Should we break the heart of the young one?
It shows you.
Oh no.
What exactly are you trying to say?
Oh no. What I'm trying to say is the last time we told him of the king, we said he was in the hospital. We can as well still tell him that he's still in the hospital today. And come to think of it, should we spoil today's merriment? Let's go back to the main point. The last time we met, there was a question I asked, which up till now, you have not given me any answer to it.
So, what question exactly did you ask that I didn't give you answers to?
Good. Which mortuary is our king's body deposited?
Ichiozozie, don't go there for now. Eh? We can discuss that some other time. Please, let's face the issue at hand. And come to think of it, if we tell the prince that our king is at the hospital, won't he ask us to take him there? You understand what I mean? So there is no point.
That was the whole truth. But nobody believed me.
Stop crying. Okay? Everything will be fine. I'm sorry about that. Maybe your brother will believe you when he hears your own side of the story.
My brother believes everything Mom says.
Everything will be fine. I can talk to you if you want me to.
No. I don't want you to. Thank you. Please help me. I want to ease myself. Okay. Alright.
Easy.
I can see you do not want to answer that question in the presence of Ichie Onoche. Tell me what I need to know. Or am I asking for too much?
Ichiozozie, why are you bringing up this issue again?
Huh? I told you, relax. I will tell you at the right time. Please. Oh no. I am angry. I am not a child. He was my king. And I need to know. Open up to me. Oh no, you are not saying anything. Fine. I'm going. You can keep your secret to yourself. Nonsense.
My prince, how was the journey?
Great. What's going on? Father's number is switched up. What's going on? We're all good.
Queen has been with his phone, my prince.
Really?
Yes, my prince.
That's strange.
Oh, my prince, I know you might have missed this country a little.
Oh yeah, that's why I'm looking around.
Yeah, see, a lot of things have changed.
Yeah.
Once again, you're welcome, my prince.
Cool.
I know you might have missed this country a little.
That's why I'm looking around.
A lot of things have changed.
Yeah.
Very beautiful. My queen.
I believe you know what today is. I do not want you to step out of this place unless I say so. Mom, don't you think all this should stop today? I mean, today is a day of Mary. This doesn't make sense anymore. Did you hear what I said? Do not step out of this place until I say so. And you don't tell me what is right, what makes sense and what doesn't in this house.
I am now a slave in my own house.
House? Well, very soon we'll get to know who truly belongs here and who doesn't.
Princess, let me continue.
No. Go.
Oh, Oda fufu onacha Akwangwa madone.
Tell me, what do you think about my dress? How do I look? You know, I got this with all my life savings. I did. It's quite expensive. I got it especially for today.
I'm here to clean the room.
You know, before the prince traveled, he was busy looking at my tiny waist, admiring every single thing about me. And I'm sure that at this time, I have added at the right places. You know what I'm talking about? And he will rekindle that affection.
Oma, please, I have a lot of things to do today. I'm not here to talk about a man. Can I clean the room?
Please.
Please.
Don't bother. I will do it myself. Don't stress it. Oh, girl, check me out. Look at my dress.
Oh, please. Are you still on this? Queen Nata said they're on their way already.
The prince is on his way? Oh my god! Wait, are you sure about this? They're on their way? Oh my god, I have really missed him. Just tell me the truth, alright? How do I look? Stunning? Beautiful? Just say it.
Oh, please. I'm not your mirror.
Who made this cockroach? And why are they all bitter and jealous at the same time? Whatever. God, the prince is on his way. I am super excited. Oh my god. The prince is coming home. God. Oh my god, I can't wait. Well packaged. Backside. Full package. He's gonna like it.
What the hell is wrong with your car again?
Must you use the word again just to remind me that my car keeps breaking down?
Hey, come on. You don't need to be harsh. I was just trying to show concern.
And I can't remember asking for your help. I can fix my car.
Come on. I know you can fix this car. You know what? Let me just drop you off wherever you're going to.
Mister, can you please leave? Like, shift.
What about getting you a new car? I don't think you can get anyone from there. We have bad receptions, yeah. Middle of nowhere.
Can you just leave me alone? Leave me alone!
Very well, I'll just I'll let you be until whosoever is coming to fix the car comes. I'll be right here. Huh? Bad reception, I told you.
Can I say something wrong?
Okay then, I will just go. Is he here? I'll just wait, like I said. There, why don't I just drop you off? Okay? Let me take care of this from here. I promise you I'll do a good job. Okay? How does this work? Ah, there you are. So, to the car. Please. Okay. This is getting kind of interesting, don't you think so? I hope no lion comes out from anywhere to eat us up. Don't worry, I'll protect you.
Exactly. So, how is America? Long ways father. How is everything? And how was your study?
Son, the dining is set. Shall we?
What are you saying? I don't want to eat. I just want to see my father. Where is he?
Why didn't you just eat first?
I know, but I don't feel like eating anything now. I just want to see him. You know what? Let me quickly see him in the bedroom. I'll be right back. Good, right? All right. See you later.